When did the link become really solid with Cartel? Because remember, this is now, you're putting out the mix CDs, the mixtapes at this time. What was the first one that you guys put out together? Or that you put out for Cartel?
What was the first mix? We just did a freestyle and do a bag of thing.
Mm-hmm.
We just did a freestyle and do a bag of thing. But I think we start off with a mix, different from the Fiesta rhythm still. We have one we start off with the Fiesta rhythm, but we have a better mix before that.
Okay.
So, we don't really remember the mix, but I one that before the Fiesta, because you have a Fiesta mix, I say, when I climb on call, before that, we'll have mix before that.
There was one before that one there.
Yeah, but we have a couple songs you do for me well. Couple songs do great. Cartel Forever, Big Gun Ripper for all them in there. When them make nice, we don't make nice, all them on there. All before even Girls Clown, all them on there.
So you were linking with him as Cartel before he even went to Alliance then?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. So from them time there and things, so couple things well, and we still do the mix them time that I put out and a bill mix, and one thing with him, once we have bill mix them, he not really have nothing bad to say about none of my CD them. We just a work.
Mm-hmm.
We just a work and we just a do things. So we say we build a mix and said, DJ so them say good, I'm just gone. So we just a work together. So we just a work a bit. We had do something where we not keep me no know, not him no know what we do.
Yeah.
We just a do things. So anything happen, just happen. So we just a do the work. So me not have time for say, you don't have time for say, we just a do the thing.
And all those dubs that were cut, were they cut? Did you have a studio where you guys, where were those tunes cut?
Dub cup all about. Sometimes I have my local studio thing. I go studio. Sometimes I have my own portable. Sometimes I go studio. But when we do dub, we do all 40 dub one time. So I understand how some artists, when they give a dub or give a one tune like, oh, you get it, come on with it, man. One song. When DJ give a song or 50 dub, that done the whole day, 60 dub. Catch up to the time.
Yeah.
Catch up to the time. And it's like nothing. No problem, nothing. No man now feel like say, I feel I'm going to give him a bag of dub and next year come in, we do a bag of dub again. And we're in the business, that's how we work. You know, come like nothing, like ABC. And we are doing music for music. We don't bother now. How I say music, as I say music I do right now, we are doing music for music. Them man are doing music for different thing. So we just do it for the love of it, while them do it for something else. We don't know what them do it for.
But you could see it's not for the love like how you guys felt at that time there.
Yeah. I see that. As I said, I work, me not see it. Anytime I see I do something new, I give and I go on business and go and do my thing again. I just at work. So I just circle.
Yeah. Because I was watching on stage one night and Rohan Butler was on there and he said you were extremely instrumental in the breaking Cartel, especially on the ground. Talk to me about that.
All right. That's why me hear a lot of talking with a lot of select and make a bag of speech. Nothing wrong with them I say, but me not even say nothing because Butler don't say what I have to say. Because Cartel say Butler bring him to Bunty and Butler come and say a Scratchy B do the thing. So it still lead back to who do the thing. So if I do too much talking, it don't make no sense. So sometimes I don't have to say nothing for it happen. And where it come from? Butler said that and Cartel said who said it. You understand? Yeah, man, so.
So did you link with, it was Cartel that you were linking with that made you link with Butler, or Butler you were linking with also?
Well, me not link with two of them one time still. Well, me not link with Cartel and then Butler. We don't know where the connection come from, but Butler did it. With the two, Butler see me as a family. Butler see me I do the work, and him just start bring me up on tour too. Him say him not left me alone.
Yeah.
So I'm very Butler too, because him say, yo, him start teach me a lot of things. Him start teach me and show me a lot of things. Enough man do that. Enough man, as I start send some artists around and start do things, them just say, yeah man, with a bit more than money, I just this way I do, you know everything all right. But Butler not left me. Because the artist might know, see certain thing, the management might see. So the management might know, say, all right, that man I do a lot of things, so we just work with that.
Keep him a roll.
Yeah, man. That's where it come from, man.
Yeah. No, because those mixtapes, those early Cartel ones, boss, they were next level altogether. It's like at a point, it's not until you go back now, like 2023, and really listen to them, you understand how crazy and impactful and how lyrical Cartel was from back then, boss.
And we can play tune that people not even know right now. That's what I tell you, so I do song, I just do song. I'm not really business.
Mm-hmm.
So I just say go.
Yeah.
So I'm my artist, that's right, sure.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.